Hi, this is Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun. Today we are going to show you a full ride view of the mine ride.
It's been refreshed. It's kind of new this year.
Yeah, so we'll see what kind of refreshing it's had. All right, should we go?
Let's go. Let's do it. Get your stuff.
And your stuff.
And my stuff. Off we go. You got the GoPro?
I have the GoPro. The wide angle view.
And I've got the DJI Osmo Pocket.
Wait, whose is better?
Well, they have different purposes.
Different purposes.
So we'll be using the sound from my Osmo Pocket because I've got a good microphone. But hey, we were here yesterday. We were here yesterday.
Yes. No.
Yeah, we were here yesterday, or not yesterday, the other day, and it was really crazy busy.
It was, and so we came back today. That was spring break. Last week was spring break. It was so busy that all the rides had, couple hour waits.
Yeah.
And you could barely walk around.
That's right.
Without running into people. So we thought, at that time, why are we here? We have season passes, we live here. We can come anytime. Let's go next week when we have
look in here.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, so today,
so we were like, let's go next week when we have the park to ourselves, and this is an extremely slow day. We can walk right on any ride.
Yeah, now let me help you out, Amy, so you look a little more natural. You can bring this down and just kind of hold it like that.
Okay, thanks.
There you go. Does that help?
Oh, I have no idea. You're the video guy. I'm just following directions.
Now this ride's going to be dark, so but we're going to talk throughout it. We're going to have some fun banter.
We are?
Yeah.
So fun banter.
Let's look in this window.
You got to put it here. I put it sitting in public, didn't you?
That's kind of cool how they do that.
Hard labor.
So you're going to want to keep that camera on me sometimes, and I'll keep my camera on you sometimes. And then we just got this thing going.
I can't see you
And I can't see you either. There we go. So we're waiting in line. This line stretched out all the way to where the train was last time.
Yeah, it was crazy long
Outside.
last week. And John really wanted to ride it, but I said, when we go back next week, we will be able to ride it with absolutely no wait. So let's just not ride it. And you were a little disappointed.
I was. But I'm happy now.
But now you're happy because we just are walking right on it.
Yep.
So, okay, so my viewfinder disappeared. Should I get it back?
Nope, just leave it just like that.
How will I know what I'm videoing?
You just have to point it in the general direction.
Oh gosh, yes. Point it in the general direction. Is that official, videographer advice?
Yes, it is.
All right.
How many? Number 3. Number 4. 2. Let's go to number 4. That's the boat. Hey, don't get off. Quick, Sharon. Don't get off. I'll take a picture.
Get excited?
To your right, please.
Yes.
Sure, take all your loose items with you.
As excited as you can be to ride a ride that you've ridden a zillion times.
All right. Guests waiting to ride, please step back from your gates, hands and arms off the gates, take a step back. There's 5 red dots in every boat. Come on in, have a seat on one of those 5 red dots. Adults, try to balance your boat by sitting on the opposite sides and corners. Come on in, please, and have a seat. 2 people may sit in the front seat, 1 person only in the middle seat, and 2 people may sit in the back seat.
So are we not shooting guns? We're shooting footage instead of guns.
Yeah, we're shooting footage.
Shoot videos.
Tell them about the guns, though.
Okay.
Look out.
About 8 minutes.
All right. So these are the guns we use to shoot the targets, and then it's a friendly competition. See who can get the most points.
Stand up for change seats. Keep your hands and guns inside
There you
the boats at all times. Enjoy your ride through the floating line. Remember, stay seated the entire trip. Hands and guns inside the boats the entire time. Stay seated back there in boat number 1. Incoming, please.
I'm getting used to it.
Now, rumor is that this has been refreshed, and there's some new things, not necessarily new scenes, but just kind of a fresh coat of paint.
Fresh coat of paint. All right. Let's see. That is different.
Point out everything that's different.
Okay. Well, it looks like that sign got a fresh coat of paint, literally.
Now it's going to be dark for our viewers, so we need to be talking to these guys.
Okay, so when you would normally get bored because all you see is darkness, instead you can listen to our clever banter.
Clever banter.
Okay. So are they able to see these scenes?
That's new. I think that's a new scene.
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, look at that. That guy's never been there.
Which one?
That guard. So, which side should I look at? I'm going to look over here.
That's new, isn't it?
A guard sleeping, yep.
Is that new? And then back here are guards playing cards. So are all the guards new? Did they have guards before? I can't remember.
Yeah, they might be new.
Because see, if I remember correctly, we had prisoners, but not guards.
Right. But that's a recipe for chaos.
Except for the issue here now is that all the guards are either sleeping or
The guards aren't doing their job. Oh, I just heard an explosion. I don't hear any music.
There's another guard over there. You don't
now
hear
I hear
it? Yes.
Hey, that was a new sound effect.
Okay, I love this upcoming scene. It kind of reminds me of the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Caribbean.
You say Caribbean, I say Caribbean. Where
I say Caribbean.
you say Caribbean, I say Caribbean.
Oh.
Anyway, this kind of reminds me of that scene where all the prisoners are lined up behind bars and trying to get the dog to bring them the keys.
Oh, yeah.
It just kind of reminds me of that. Without the dog. So sometimes when you're shooting the targets, they have a special target, usually a couple of them each ride. Special targets that are worth 100,000 points. So all of a sudden you'll have like 6,000 points and you'll jump up to 100,000 points or 200,000 points. And then your friends that you're competing against have no chance of catching you.
Now, way back in the day, this was not a shooting gallery ride. This was only a ride through and you'd see the scenes. And I remember this scene right here where this saw blade comes down. Right when it would go there, all of the lights would turn out to pitch black.
That's super fun.
Yeah.
I kind of like sometimes riding it without shooting the guns because you do get to see like more detail. You get to see little things like that, like the saw coming toward you that you don't really notice when you're busy shooting guns.
More explosions. Danger, yeah, I knew it.
So one thing I've noticed, and this is going to sound really funny, but it smells nice and fresh in here. A lot of times you go in here and it smells kind of musty. It doesn't smell that way now. I wonder if they did something
Oh, I don't know.
to fix that.
Oh, look at this guy. He's trying to escape up there.
And there's another guard taking a nap.
That's why he's escaping.
I think all these
Oh, look at
guards
this.
maybe are
All of this is
overworked.
boarded in. This all used to be in the open.
Huh.
You can set your gun down.
They
Wonder
boarded-
why.
They boarded all this up. I don't know.
Hey, now I can maybe see you. How'd you like the ride?
There we go.
And I know for sure that these tomb markers in the water have gotten a fresh coat of paint. Those look really nice. They used to be sort of, you know, definitely the water was wearing away at them.
Yep. And they have new air cannons. Those weren't working for a while. And now we've got a traffic jam.
I think I got that water explosion on camera because I pointed in the general vicinity.
Excellent camera work there, Amy.
Maybe. We'll see when you watch this later.
We did it.
And we're back, Amy. We made it safe.
We made it.
Welcome back, riders. Thank you for riding the Glen in line. Once your boat comes to a complete stop, grab all your loose items, exit to your right up the stairs, and enjoy the rest of your day at Silver City. Thank you for riding the Glen in line. Enjoy the rest of your day at Silver City. All right, guests waiting to ride. Please step back at your gates, hands and arms off the gates, take a step back. There are 5 red dots in every boat. Everybody steps on one of those 5 red dots.
Thank you very much.
John, do you have a card?
I do. Thank you. You guys want to be on the video?
Yeah.
All right. So tell me how the ride went for you. Was it life-changing? Was it impactful?
It was fun.
It was fun.
Who won?
I lost.
Oh, you lost.
Are you-
and you went. That's why he's so excited about it. You look a little sad.
No, you'll be all right.
I started off bad.
You can. Do you know that there are special targets in there that are like worth 100,000 points?
Yeah. So
No.
if you hit those, all of a sudden you
That's
jump
how
up
you
to
got ahead.
100,000 points.
Yeah. There's a few of them in there. No one knows where, but they're
You
in
just
there.
have to get lucky. So yeah.
That's how you got ahead.
So,
Probably.
that's it right
It's
there.
a secret. You found the secret target. All right, guys. So we'll give you a card. That
Yeah,
way
yeah.
you can.
We'll upload this in the next
Few days.
few days. Well, that's the wrong thing.
I'm gonna turn that off.
I don't know. Hey, at the beginning, I didn't even know you had to keep your gun in the boat. So I was over like, why am I so low? And it's like, gun has to be in the boat.
You can tell how to look at it.
Alright. There you guys go. If you go there, then probably within a week we'll have that video up.
Cool.
Thanks for being on.
Thank
All
you.
right,
See you
bye
guys.
guys.
Bye.
So, so that happens quite a bit where people ask us if we're YouTubers. We give them a card. Hey, should we show? Do you have the card?
I don't. I gave them both away.
So we'll show them what the card looks like. Any of you YouTubers out there, it's a great idea.
And this is John's design background. So these are plastic cards.
And they're
So
kind of see-through a little
They're
bit.
kind of see-through and they're waterproof, so that's great, especially if you go on the mine ride or Fire in the Hole where you might get a little wet. Anyway, we hand these out to people and
Yeah.
get some new subscribers.
So we're done here, huh, Aim? This is another great video.
Yeah, we are done. If you like this, you want to see more like it, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell, subscribe.
And we're gonna go have more fun here at Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri.
Yep. Safe travels, everyone.